Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real official, authentic, original, official, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. All right, I am going to try an experiment. Now, there's a whole bunch of videos on YouTube where they say you can take cayenne pepper, lemon, garlic, and honey, and apple cider vinegar. And if you drink this, it's supposed to kill off a sinus infection. So I threw a few more things in here, a little sugar, some honey barbecue sauce, some soy sauce. But here it is. I heated it like they said, but I don't have a garlic press. But I'm tired of wheezing and gasping for air. And early in the day, I drank, early yesterday, I drank some apple cider vinegar and some cayenne pepper. And that stopped dripping in my nose. It didn't do much for my breathing. So, here we go. No one has ever done this on YouTube. Not live, or as live as this is going to get. And how live I'll be after I drink this stuff, I don't know. But there it is. It's been boiled on the stove. And I'm going to drink it. And see if this, according to what they say, the capsaicin in the cayenne and the apple cider vinegar raises your blood level. It will help kill off the sinus infection. Maybe it'll kill off the coughing. I keep getting a cough. But that's because the mucus goes down in my right lung. All right. You see it there. And here we go. My tongue is awake. My throat is awake. Earlier when I did this, it went straight up my eyes. Not in my eyes, it went up through my cheeks and into my eye sockets. Ooh. Well, it hasn't hit my stomach quite yet. And my mouth and throat feel like they're on fire. Well, I'll let you know what happens. It says you're supposed to drink water with this. And I got water, I got milk. But I'll let it sit in there for a while. And see if it stops the drainage in my nose and coughing, mucus, the drainage of mucus into my lung. Or this is just some old wives' tale. Ooh. If I had a match, I'd probably blow up right now. All right. This this is or was George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. It is 12:54 a.m. on Friday. Have a good night, a good morning. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. My entire mouth feels like it's on fire. And they also claim this will kill bacteria in your mouth, your throat, your sinuses. The only thing I haven't tried is snorting water and salt water up my nose of the cayenne pepper. I may try that next. But I've had this damn sinus infection for 7 months, and I'm tired of it. If this doesn't work, I'll have to go to the ER Monday. That ties up a whole day, or Tuesday, I guess, and yell for help. Who is now in, also feels like it's into my right lung. Something's happening down there. All right, have a good one, and we will see what happens. Bye-bye for now.